Hello everyone. Today we are going to do an experiment on crystallization of sugar. For that we need a glass of water, sugar, food coloring if you want, and a pen or pencil with a thread tied around it so that it reaches almost the bottom of the glass. Then we need to make a saturated solution with sugar. For that, we need to dissolve as much sugar as we can until there is no more sugar which can be dissolved. Let's start dissolving sugar. Now this is the saturated solution. As you can see, there is sugar in the bottom which cannot be dissolved. We are going to make it supersaturated now, which means we are going to heat it so that even more sugar can dissolve in. Now I am going to make this solution supersaturated by heating it and then adding even more sugar. Now as you can see, no more sugar is being dissolved. So now this is a supersaturated solution. You can see the change in the volume and color. And now I'm going to put this thread in it. And I'm going to keep it at a safe and undisturbed place for a few days. It's been 5 days now, so let's see the result. We can already see sugar crystals on the top and all around the glass. Now let's pull the thread. Wow, so beautiful. Let's understand the science behind crystallization. We started with a supersaturated solution, which means we dissolved a lot of sugar at high temperature. So, when the solution cooled down, water could not hold that much sugar and crystals formed. In fact, we started with unprocessed powdered sugar and now we have sugar crystals. This is a super easy activity. Do try it at home.